Okay, folks, we need to do a quick 1-2 punch on quantum light field or energy light field cyber financial security. Hit the pause button if you need to take that in. Let me repeat it again. We need to do a quick 1-2 punch to help you take care of your cyber financial security using energy field, quantum light field, spirit team help on this. All right. With what I see going down right now, I am pissed. It goes back to what I talked about in my live, where there were people sitting in a room who were diagramming this all out, making decisions about what they had to do. And one of the things on the table was sacrificing certain things for the American public. And our cybersecurity got sacrificed. Okay. But what I want you to know is that in the work that I've done for many years with Somatic Money, there is a certain area of my work where I train my clients how to use light field mechanics, how to use wording and intention, how to work with spirit team to help work with the cyber aspect of financials. And I could tell you one story after another about the financial cyber miracles that I literally have seen take place. So if you are game for it, I'm going to give you a whole bunch of instructions. This is the inside baseball of my Somatic Money coaching that only clients get. The reason I'm sharing it is I see so many people at risk right now, and I am pissed about it, and I'm willing to do what I need to do to pitch in and help all of you out, at least with taking a step that won't cost you any money and may actually save your financial life, because we're definitely not out of the woods yet. So let's go ahead and get started. The basis of this work is you coming to your financials with an idea or an intention that at some level, money is energy, okay? And there is no better place for the energy of money and the physicality of money to cross over than in the digital world. That to me, the digital world is where the energy of money and the physicality of money meets and integrates. And so one of the best places to do your energy work with money is actually in your cyber area of money, your digital area of money, because that's the juice. That's the cross section of stuff. Okay. So that's the place you want to start from. All right. Then the next step is you need to get really grounded, centered, and breathing. Do your practice, ground, centered, and breathing. If you don't know how to do that, you do my Get 5D Prepared little program, and I'll send that across. So you always want to begin from the space of, ground, breathe, center. The second thing you want to do is you want to call in your highest, your best, your most adept, divine financial light team who is assigned and can help you specifically with your financial protection, your cybersecurity financial protection, your light field protection with your money. So you can be that specific. So we've all got spirit team, we've all got spirit guides, we've all got spirit angels, we've all got we've got an entourage. And what I have found working with spirit team is you can call in some very specifics. And I even learned more this morning. Like, as I was going through this, I was like, you mean I can call in specific cyber financial security archangels who would work on this very specific thing? And the feeling I got from Spirit World was like, yeah, we've got light beings over here trained specifically for that. I mean, this is kind of how crazy it gets. So right now would be a great time for you to really get grounded, breathing, centered in your body. The next step is like calling in very specific beings. Some of that wording I've got is in my Star Nation family, but remember, with your cyber financial security, you've got access to ancestral line. Always make sure you're working with highest and best. Spirit team guides, highest and best. Ascended masters, highest and best. Star Nation family, highest and best. Archangels. Did I say angels? Archangels, highest and best. You can go highest and best, most important, highest and best destiny. Okay, so these are the types of words that we want to be using into our programming. Okay, from here, grounded, breathing, centered, called in specifically who you want working there. What you're going to do from that point is you're going to close your eyes and envision all of your financial accounts. Okay, you're going to envision all of your financial. The sun just came out, and I just got a little bit more. Yeah, you're going to envision all of your financial accounts. Okay, close your eyes, envision all of your financial accounts. You're going to envision all of your money. Just intentionally be there, and you want to intentionally be there with it. Like all of your digital accessing, you just envision all of that. And you can even say, Spirit team, I also want to include maybe even some of the stuff that I'm not even thinking about right now that is encapsulated in all of this. So you kind of get the energy of it. You get the energy bubble. And your first layer, Spirit team is giving me guidance on this. Okay, for the severe situation that we're in right now, Spirit team is saying the first layer is asking for all of your financial stuff, this big grouping of stuff. Here's the energy, confirming energy. Ask for it to all be spiritually encrypted. You know how cybersecurity, there's a lot of encryption stuff? Well, you can do that spiritually. You can say to your spirit team in the energy, could you spiritually encrypt all of my cybersecurity, all of my cyber financial security, all of my financial data, all of the accounts, everything. Make sure it is spiritually encrypted so that only I can get into it, and only those that I'm giving permission to get into it have access. That's it. Everybody else, stay out. Fuck off. You can say stuff like that. So that's going to be the first layer. Okay, then Spirit team is saying, then do the lighting. There's 3 layers of lighting I like to use. You then want to completely infuse all of us, yes, Freudian slip, all of it with white light. White light, programming-wise, coding-wise, basically says everything's going to line up and work out. It's like the moment that I have clients begin to white light their financial data, it is amazing how fast numbers go click, 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 and it all lines up. That's white lighting. That's just one. Okay, so you want to white light everything. Second one you want to do is gold light or amber light. The gold light or amber light is basically going to say, hey, I'm going to anneal and heal any Chiron wounded healer kind of stuff in the money, so it's harder for the shadow stuff to get in and mess with it. So the gold light is another form of healing you with your money as you're creating a protection zone for it. That's really lovely. And that's a little bit more, it's infused through it, but it's kind of more a little bit on the outside. And then definitely you want to go with your blue light, and that is full on security. Blue light, think Archangel Michael, think guards at the doors, think, boom, we are here to support, guide, and protect you. The thing that I want to remind all of you is that when we're doing all of this, we tend to think in terms of making it smaller, making it my size. You can go big. Like if you begin to call in light beings on this and you can feel how massive they are, let them be massive. That's their job. Or you may be calling in light beings who are going in and working at infinitesimal levels on this. That's fine too. Do what you need to do with this. But coming back to white light, gold light, blue light, with the sizing of your spirit team and light field who's there to support, guide, and protect on this, highest and best for support, guidance, and protection with your cyber financial security. Those are the primary steps. And I would suggest to you that you be doing this every single day for a while, just to really get the programming in place on it and just remind. And as you're doing this, tune in with Spirit Team and see if they've got specific instructions for you. Because the last couple of days as I've been doing this, Spirit Team has been like, go in and pull this app off your phone, shut down the account. This account over here, make sure you go in and do dual encryption on it. There may be accounts that they have you outright cancel. So everybody's going to be different. It is important that you listen to your spirit team for specific financial instructions to protect your financial security as we move through this time. Here's one more. This one came to me the last couple of days. You can also say things like, if my financial data lands in the wrong hands, spirit team, make sure as soon as possible to drop that data down to the bottom of the pile so it can't be seen or accessed. Make sure to completely encrypt it and purge it from their systems. You can start programming and stuff like that. And if you're saying, geez, Dana, can that happen? I have literally seen people do their energy work, their emotional work, their physical work, and then $20,000 in medical debt be wiped off the digital screen, like literally not be there, not ever come back. I have seen stuff like that happen. Yeah, it kind of sounds outlandish. It sounds like, oh my God, that could happen if you do your work. And what I'm going to say on the back end of this is if you're doing all of this and spirit team starts to say, hey, we need you to go talk with your Aunt Sally and heal up that wound over there. Or, hey, you need to settle up with your brother and take care of things in physical space over here. Or we need you to do this certain kind of energy thing. Follow the instructions spirit team gives you, no matter how irrational it is, because guess what? Here's a little bit more information. Your money the home of it is in your second chakra. Put your hand right beneath your navel. Second chakra is home of partnership, agreement, and exchange. So all your money stuff, the cybersecurity stuff, is connected in with your relational issues in your life. So if spirit world comes through and says, hey, yeah, we're doing the best we can with that, but we need you to go take care of XYZ, freaking go take care of XYZ. It may save you your financial life, okay? This is the work that I do with people. This is the work that I've been seeing and doing and connecting all the dots on for almost close to, I think, 14, 15 years at this point. I've seen the miracles happen. So kind of coming full circle in this, the main reason I am here giving you this very specific tool that I usually only give to clients is because I am so concerned about everyone's financial security, financial health, financial well-being. And I want you to at least have a tool to work with so you don't feel like a victim. Like I have been feeling off and on like that. Like, damn it, he's got all of our blah, blah, blah. And then I was like, stop, Dana. No victims here. We're not going to do victimhood. And so we're going to step up to the plate. And this is one of the tools I can give to you as far as empowerment that you can begin to do on a regular, everyday basis, not only with this situation, but also in the future that will help you with your finances. So giving this to you with the best of intent, with a huge background of knowledge, experience, and information that I have in seeing this stuff work over a period of time. So that's what I've got for you for here and now. Use what I've given to the best in the nth degree to make sure you protect your money. I want to see you succeed with your money and your money relationship, and make sure you get through all this that we're going through, get through it financially intact. All right. So keep walking forward so you can meet the miracles along the way, and I will see you in the next video. Mwah.